Dear teacher, classmate, peace be upon you. I hope you're doing pretty well. In today's presentation, we'll be talking about space and emergency astronaut. Have you ever thought of what exists outside our planet? What do you think will happen if we travel out of our planet? If you try to, you'll find something called space, and it's the physical universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. It's bigger than you imagine. Space contains solar system, galaxies, and black holes, and all those aren't falling down because of the zero gravity. Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws object toward its center, and because of that, planets and stars are floating. But what is the way to explore it? Who are able to explore the space, and who are the many astronauts that went out to explore space? All those questions will be answered in today's presentation. Hamad Sabri, could you please tell us who Hazzaa AlMansoori is?
Hazzaa AlMansoori is an Emirati astronaut and the first person from the United Arab Emirates in space. In 2019, he embarked on the UAE's first scientific mission to the International Space Station, ISS. The mission carried the slogan, Zaid's Ambition, making the UAE the 19th country worldwide and first country from the Arab region to travel to the IS. He also became the backup astronaut for Sultan Niadi for the second mission to the ISS, which is the longest Arab space mission previously. He was the UAE's youngest F-16 fighter pilot. Thank you.
On 25th September 2019, he launched aboard the Soyuz MS-12-15 spacecraft to the International Space Station, where he stayed for 8 days. He landed safely in Kazakhstan aboard, on 3rd October 2019 aboard the Soyuz MS-12, completing the United Arab's first astronaut mission. He also became the first Arab increment lead for an ISS expedition during this mission. In his role as lead, AlMansoori guided the ISS crew through every aspect of the mission. Now we will be moving forward with Daniel.
Sultan Al-Niadi, an Emirati astronaut and one of the first 2 astronauts from the UAE. He was born in Al Ain on May 25, 1981, and he is 42 years old. He is the first Arab to serve on the International Space Station for a 6-month mission. He became the first Arab to carry out an extended space mission, as well as the first Arab to perform a spacewalk. And he spent the 6-month mission in space doing around 20 to 200 scientific experiments. Results from these experiments would yield new discoveries and technological breakthroughs that could benefit future missions and people on Earth. Al-Niadi was selected from over 4,000 more candidates following a series of mental and physical tests in the UAE and abroad. He is a holder of a PhD in information technology. He practices jiu-jitsu, which helped him to be ahead of other candidates and successfully passed the UAE astronaut program's tests.
Finally, Hope Probe, the first Arab probe that launched by United Arab Emirates. The Emirates Mars Mission EMM project is a space exploration mission launched on July 20, 2020 to Mars. The probe was built at the Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center and was developed by the University of Colorado Boulder, Arizona State University, and the University of California, Berkeley. The purpose of the rover is to study daily and seasonal weather cycles, low air weather events such as dust storms, and how the weather changes in different regions of Mars. The probe was launched by Japan's Heavy H-2A rocket, and the probe carries a number of sensors. The launch date was postponed twice due to weather conditions, and finally it was launched on July 20, 2020. And
at the end, what are your expectations for the next United Arab Emirates state of space exploration? And what do you think? Is it possible to live on Mars, or is it still way too far? Thank you for watching our presentation. I really hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.